Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Who are you?
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Who are you?
Okay, you even called me for eating now.
I don't understand.
I caught you in a very good way.
Babe, do you know me? As you can see, I'm having a good time with my woman. Please.
You say what?
What's the meaning of that, Seth?
Calm down, calm down. You calm down. Okay, calm down. Are you seeing them?
Yes. Can you stop that? Can you stop it? What is the meaning of this now?
You remember me?
I don't remember you. How do you want me to
listen? See. Don't do anything. See, you calm down, calm down. Eat your sit down, eating your food.
Oga, stop that camera first. Tell him to stop that camera first before you talk anything.
I will talk something. See, please, as I'm talking to you, there are police outside. Don't do muzzle for me.
What do you mean by there are police outside?
There are police because they don't want to be into our camera.
Please, can you first of all tell the camera to just...
I won't tell any camera to stop.
Who are you again?
I want to tell you. I'm opening up to you now.
What's the meaning of this?
See,
what's the meaning of this?
The screenshot I gave to you of someone you collected 12 million naira for visa. Do you remember? I told you I'm going to cut you. Do you know? You went and changed another number.
Oga, can you tell your camera?
You changed another number. Don't you see?
Can you tell him to stop videoing this thing first? Please tell him to stop it.
I will not tell him to stop it. Do you understand? And I tell you that there are 3 police outside there. When you do anything, I will arrest you.
Oga, I understand what you're talking about, but we can settle this thing and make it better.
Tell him to stop. You mean you can just
calm down first. Calm down first. Calm down. Why are you acting like you don't know what I'm doing? Just calm down first.
I don't know. Of course, I don't know you process visa.
Really?
When did you start processing
we
visa?
We collected most of the money from your account.
Well, I'm surprised. I don't know you collected the money for processing of visa.
I will get back to you. Sir, please. First of all, stop the camera. We can settle this thing amicably.
Okay. I have been telling you, I sent you message. I give you, so, I'll be gently for over 1 month now. Over 1 month now. I'll be sending you messages. Return this man money to avoid problem. Return this man money to avoid problem.
Mr. Man.
If I screenshot for you, you change to another number. You think I will not get you?
Can you at least stop camera? Let's talk aside.
No, the camera will not stop. In fact, there are 3 police here. Once you are done, stand up and finish. You are hungry.
It hasn't gotten to
you
police.
Are hungry. I think you never eat this food to half. Eat your food well, because where you are going, you are not going to smile at all. Do you understand me? Where you people are going, you are not going to smile at all.
I don't like this.
What do you
mean? We just got here. We've not even had a good time, and this is what is happening.
You just have to calm down first, please. Oga, let's go outside and talk first. Let's go outside.
Let me tell you, we are going outside. But before we go outside, could you kindly finish your food?
Don't worry about it. It's not about food. Let's go outside.
If you did not finish this food, I don't think if you go outside, you will not come back here to eat this food. Police are arresting you here. Police are there. There's nothing you can do. If because of this camera, they are here at this door.
Who are you, sir? Who are you to even tell me? Who are you to even tell me what to do? What's your connection with my business?
What do you want us to do? What do you want?
Madam, he collected 12 million naira to do visa for person.
Okay.
He do fake visa.
How do you know the visa is fake?
The man started chatting, started calling him. He blocked the man. Any man, as far as he hear the man's voice, he blocked the man.
Are you serious?
Do you understand? Yeah. So now we are taking you are the accomplice, right?
No, I'm not. I don't even know what he does. I'm not part of it. We just came out to have a good time. We've not even gone inside.
Which one
we just came to eat first.
What are you saying? Are you okay?
Do I know you?
Are you okay?
Do I know
Which one is do I know you?
Do I know you do fake visa?
Which one is you?
Please.
Is it not your account? I forwarded to you to send the money.
I'm not part of it.
It's not your account. I
forwarded me out. No, please.
What's your problem?
You said okay. Because it's a woman account.
It's her account that I sent to.
But I don't know I don't know that. That's.
But you know how to collect the money.
I don't know that. So
your own now is to use your own account in giving people to put money, and you don't, now you are denying.
He's a businessman, but I don't know he does fake visa.
You are trying. Business you are.
I don't know.
You are trying to deny the situation.
I don't know.
Ladies and gentlemen.
I don't know any of this.
See, ladies and gentlemen, as you are just watching this video,
I've told you before.
For some of you,
sir.
No, just wait. For some of you who are doing visa for people, doing fake visa for people, thinking that you are enriching yourself. Time will caught up with you. You got to stop that mentality.
I'm not into fraud.
The money is still remaining in your account. Is it not your account?
I don't know what.
Is it not what you are using here to eat?
Just let me be. I don't know what you're talking about.
Is that not where you to lodge here? What's your problem?
Please, you can take him away. I'm not.
Madam, for you to give your account, you are giving your account to someone. Are you telling me he doesn't have an account to save money?
I don't know that's what he does. I don't know if he used my account for fraud. Please,
let's go outside.
Let's talk about this.
Let's go outside.
Please take him out. Take him out, please. Uninvolve me. I'm not.
See, ladies and gentlemen, just watching. Not just watching. Share a lot of people to learn. Solo, please go there and call the police. Let them come.